Someone's calling you. Answer your phone. Unless you don't like them, and then you can just pretend that you didn't hear me. Which I would never do to anyone because that would be mean. Unless they smell.
Answer your phone. You're annoying everybody now. Answer your phone. Pick up the pick it up. Pick it up now. Get it.
Whoa! You're popular. Someone's calling you. Pick up your phone. Come on, I'm a busy guy. I can't hang around inside your phone doing ringtones all day. Answer it!
You gotta help me. I'm stuck inside your phone. Answer it to set me free. Hurry! It's stuffy in here.